When I ride a motorcycle, I get very emotional, especially when I go to national parks, because it was something that me and my dad would always do, and even as a little girl. I miss him. Most people ride to escape. I ride to connect, to discover and find. I ride towards something, always, never away. I think the best way to experience nature is on a Harley-Davidson. It's a way to connect people back with the land and back with what America really is. It's vast, and it makes you feel small, and it humbles you because the trees are so big and so dense. To be able to be up here with Mike, it's an amazing thing to come and share something so beautiful with someone I love.
There's parts of this country that I've dreamed of riding before, and this is one of them. To travel to these places that you only have visited in your mind is an incredible thing. And to do that with Letitia is unbelievable.
It connects me to my past, it connects me to nature, it connects me to my history, my legacy that I hope to leave behind, to my future, to the people that I care about. It just connects me to the world.
It's vulnerability and intensity mixed together, something that makes you feel alive beyond what you could ever comprehend. These are the kind of places that make you fall in love with America again.
Yeah, my dad always taught me to ride towards what I love and towards my dream. He told me to ride towards my passion. Full throttle, no looking back. That's what I've been riding towards every day since he told me that.